What's up guys, this is Jason here from Cloudy Vapes. We're going to do something a little bit different today. Instead of a juice review, we will be giving away this TugBoat RDA clone. And it's going to come with this, cool little blue screwdriver, extra O-rings, some screws, a coil, this weird whip cotton thing. I'd probably change that. It's going to be real simple to win. You don't have to repost a photo and tag 30 friends and follow 60 people. All you gotta do is like this video, subscribe, and in the comments, pick a number between 1 and 50. Today is Wednesday, the 21st. Happy Back to the Future Day. We will be picking the winner on, let's do Friday the 30th, before Halloween. So yeah, good luck guys, and someone's gonna win.